Okay, first you have to ensure the wallpaper image resolution match or exceed your screen's native resolution. You have to avoid using low resolution image because it will be stretching and then it will be cause for blurriness. So when you downloading wallpapers, use the full size image, then save it to avoid causing blurry images. To download the quality image, you can go to open your browser. As an example, you can download the quality image using Pexel website. Go to Pexel, hit enter. You can see the first option, pexel.com. So they have all the quality images from there, and you can free download that one. Just tap on download option. So likewise, you can download quality image from the website, and then after you can adjust the display scaling setting. Go to start menu, go to setting, scroll down, come to display option, scroll down and come to the scale and layout section. Make sure to scale set as 100%, it is recommended one. And again right click on the desktop, go to personalize, the last option, scroll down and tap on background option, scroll down and go to choose a fit for your desktop image. Try to use a different one for if the issue is fixed or not. You can try to fit, stretch, tile, center kind of thing. Check the problem is fixed or not. And again you can go to start menu and setting. In here go to display option, scroll down, again come to scale and layout section, select the display resolution as recommended version. If you set it as a low version, it will be cause for blurriness, so make sure to set as recommended one. Then after, go to search bar, type clear type, tap on adjust clear type text, tick the turn on clear type, so you can see the text will be very clear when this is using. It will be make the words and other things very sharp. Tap on next. So you can, in my case there are two displays, so you can tune all the displays using this one, or you can select one display and tune only that display. So in my case I need to do both one. Just tap on next. So now it is turning on the first display. Tap on next. So you can choose several options from here. You can select the clear version, then tap on next. In here also you can select the clear version. Here also you can select, and like this, tap on next, tap on next. Now it is set the first monitor, and do the same thing for second monitor also. Tap on next, set the clear version, again tap on next. Now it is fixed. Okay, once you are done with all the things, you have to restart your computer. Just go to start menu, tap on power icon, tap on restart. This will fix your issue, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.